Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make a digital programmer wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breaker, magnetic contactor, DP MCB circuit breaker, timer switch, first phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection, three phase connection input to MCB, three phase connection output from MCB to connect contactor, third phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection input to DP MCB, output connection from contactor to connect DP MCB, another connection input to timer switch, output connection from contactor to connect timer switch, output neutral connection from DP-MCB to connect timer switch. Another neutral connection input to timer switch. Three-phase connection from contactor for load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.